purpose. What's going on there?
Dude,
Is
it's all
that
about
an organization?
approaching. It is an organization. It happens, I think, once a year around Women's Month. So it's just an event where they motivate, encourage women, and to continue and stuff. Yeah. And I did approach them that, hey guys, I'm a DJ, because I also didn't have a DJ. So I feel like as females or a DJ, just approach a place that doesn't have a DJ. Like, hey guys, I can do this for you. Doesn't matter if they pay, doesn't matter if they don't pay. Just because, especially as a female DJ, you have to like continue pushing yourself. Because if you're sitting down and waiting for a gig to come, that's not gonna happen. People forget about you. But if you're like out there working and showing that you're working, people see you and they respect that and they invite you to gigs.
I realize another thing on yourself.